get the game that they come here for. But just to break it down, it's the 0 day watchlist class. You always want to have good, risk management. So typically this class is for looking up trades for Friday. Usually the 0 day contracts come with more risk because they expire on the same day. So you always want to practice good risk management. And if you want to, you know, ease up on a theta, you want to get next week's contracts, right? So drop those. Oh, you already been dropping them. Let me see. Let me see. I'm gonna start off with, I just got on. I didn't even look at anything or how anything ended. So I'm gonna go straight to y'all. I'm gonna start with Airbnb though. Airbnb fire. I know how I feel about double insides. I have no bias. It can go either way. Or particularly though, this 4 hour look good on Airbnb. So we got this 3-1-2-1. Like I said, any direction that they give us, but I'm leaning towards the upside. But any direction, hold on, give y'all a little gem. Always zoom out. Always zoom out. So we already see that this 132.44, that's a significant space to be. If we don't get above that, it's gonna go right back down, right? So you just want to be aware of that. Let me go to the daily just to see. Yeah, let me spread out just a little bit more. I just want to see this real quick. See this thing. Go up 10 years. I don't think Airbnb even been out there. Look, see that? That's what I say. Look to the left. But sometimes we be in a trade, hit some, and it reverse hard. Like, damn, what happened? Yo, if y'all just zoom out, y'all see that, right? It's regular support and resistance. It's a significant area for Airbnb. So this is definitely gonna be on my list tomorrow. Put Airbnb on the list, y'all. What we got? What we got? Life is good. Life is great. Walmart. Walmart did the dash along with Costco. I missed it. So even though P was bad, it was a few names that was going crazy. We do have a 4-1. I like that. Might as well look for continuation, right? No bias though. We see how we open up in the morning, could drop back down. I don't know. I can't tell the future. But is this all-time highs? Yeah, it is. Sorry for the line, y'all. This is all-time highs on Walmart. So what you want to do is you want to get those psych levels. I say aim for 164. That happened to have a broad information there too. Then 165. That look good. I like that Walmart. Good shit. Oh, let me check the earnings. Hold on. I know I do the earning plays. Crowd went crazy out the gate. So we got tomorrow. We got Avgo, Lululemon, Dow. I don't know about the rest of these just yet. Paper do. I don't know about those. Avgo, yeah. We're gonna have eyes on some Avgo. Let me check that out real quick. They up crazy right now? Can y'all unmute yourself? Y'all would have speak. I got mute too. Hold on, let me see real quick. Oh, they down. All right, so we're gonna look for continuation on that. The theta is high on these, so this is gonna consider it a little risky. But I'm gonna have some. If you're in the Discord, I might throw that in the Discord. I'm be watching how it go. Be watching how it go. I'm gonna be
They
watching
are
that.
popping it off after hours right now. They up pretty good.
Y'all up? Yeah, you're
Yeah.
gonna have that on the radar. Yep, that's what I like to see. Gap and go. Let me see what these columns look like. Yeah, this is what I like. 10-cent spread could be a little better for a Dell, but it's good enough. Theta Delta decent. Yeah, Dell and Avgo definitely gonna be on this. I don't know what the rest of these is looking like. I haven't played Lululemon since 2020. I don't know what their cons look like. See, Lululemon is on a more of the riskiest side, $1,000 per contract. But let's get on. We got Carvana. I think they Carvana run up. Let's check it out. Let me turn that after hours off now. But yeah, earnings plays Dell and definitely Avgo. It's going to be on the list tomorrow. Keep that in mind. So what I like about this Carvana is they got continuity going to the upside. Oh, they had a fire week too, 212. So let me just check the 4 hour. You got that nice 3-1-3-1 the 4 hour. Yeah, this is nice. You just want to see what kind of PA they give us tomorrow. This could pop off. I say aim for the equal highs, then 54.42. If they end up, if everything end up coming down, just have no bias. Have your targets ready for the downside. No matter what, how good the setup is, things can reverse. Anything can happen. You got people freezing on TV and shit like that, so you just want to be aware. Plus, it's some equal highs, so be careful of this. It could reverse, but it could keep going. I like it for the upside. So that's dope. Good pick, bro. Good pick. Good pick. Let's check lows. Calling out the bangers. Got lows for downside. Talk to me. What you see on this one? Oh yeah, so come on down. I haven't played lows on Friday, so I can't tell you how they move. I believe like Costco move kind of like Costco HD. Not haven't played them much, but I think they print. Last time I played them, they printed. They're the type that got them weird spreads too. Watch the spreads in the morning. So you might, if you buying these, you might open up in a negative, and then once it get going, it start. So I think Aaron was in that. He pointed that marrow out to me that actually looked good. Let me check Baba real quick. Hey, y'all, don't be shy. Y'all could drop y'all, bring your setups, drop y'all tickets. We're gonna look at them. We're gonna see what it's looking like. Yo, I hate China, bro. Every time I wake up in the morning, I look at the news and like it's just never something. They never run, but no bias. I like the hammer here. I like the hammer. That shit the 4 hours. Just be mindful of these guys. Like they even and then when they do end up doing something, they gap up before getting a move. They do have a 2 hour, 4 hour, but we do have a hammer. So it's a two down, two up above 93.36. I'm gonna put a little on it. This is something I probably watch on the side. Baba and Neo XPav do run on Fridays. So last Friday we had XPav. So we could keep our eyes on that. We'll keep our eyes on that. Gonna have that on the side watch. We're gonna have that on the side watch. When we let people in a Zoom, people saying, "Wait, man, my bad, y'all." Yeah, just be mindful. Like, all right, let me look at XPath real quick. See how they had this nice 2-1 then dump? You see why I hit them? You know what I'm saying? You can't have no bias. They do what they want to do. See that? They do what they want to do. So just be mindful of that. Baba, be prepared for both sides on that one. Oh, I appreciate that. Hold on. Give me 1 second. Appreciate that, my guy. All right, what's we got in the chat? Let me check the chat. Zoom, yo. I seen Zoom this morning. Called it out in the Discord. Then I just like forgot about it. Look at this. And if y'all in the Discord, y'all know how we feel about 30 minutes. If something is running, y'all know how we feel about the 30-minute time frame. Y'all know how we feel about the 15-minute time frame. I could get in on these kind of moves. And it was there. It was there. You just had to been watching it. I wasn't watching it. This was crazy. Let's see what they got for us. So it pulled back. I think I might want. Do anybody know why it popped like that? Usually when something pop like that, it probably has some news or something like that. So they do got a 2-1 with the Momo shooter going down. I will watch this for both sides. They could continue, and if they do end up coming down, Zoom might end up just coming back down. It's Zoom, they move weird like that, coming back to this POC. So, yeah, I'm gonna put that on. I'm gonna put this on watch. Put just one alert because when I redo the watch list, I'm gonna have it to review again. So I gotta keep eyes on that Zoom. So we got Avgo already. Yeah, Mara. Let's check Mara and right. Let's check Bitcoin first. Oh hell no. Damn. Oh, that's crazy, Aaron. Now that I think about it, man, Bitcoin a fell off a goddamn cliff. Mara real quick. So Mara for downside. Oh wait, like Bitcoin is at that, you know, that zone where it might bounce back up again. So be mindful of that. But if not, this could still keep dropping. So I do agree with that Mara drop. 3-2 to the downside. You get that clean drop. This should be a good one. That should be a good one. Especially everything bearish. That should be a good one. Yeah, I see that. And then something else we was pointing out too, like, it reverses at this range anyway. Go to the left, it reverses at this area. It did this all the time. So it can happen again, 3-2 downward. Just be mindful. If Bitcoin bounce back up, it's not going to keep dropping down. Just be mindful of that. I like to just be mindful of both sides of the spectrum. Let's check Riot. Riot probably look the same. Yeah, Riot look exactly the same. So same thing. You just gotta pick one, which one you like. SMC. I heard about that. I heard it went stupid. Or is that the other one? Yeah, it went stupid this morning. I never played this day in my life. Contract's not too bad. It just got to be running. So like, depending on PA, if this, if it runs, it print. Contract's a little high on the theta side. So this is what I mean. Like I wrote on Twitter, like you just want to know where to put your money. Basically, like the same. What them contracts cost like $200. That same $200 I could probably put in a Mara. I got way better, delta on the cons, and they might give that clean price movement, which will give me that cleanest, most with the least path of resistance on the ROI. So just watch out for that. But if this one end up going, I don't see nothing right now though. I don't have nothing on this chart. I gotta chart this one up. I don't got shit on this chart. Damn. This shit was $25 last year. That's wow. Check the week just real quick. Hey, this could keep going back up though, bro. Ain't got the kind of setup I like, but I could tell like this could jump up tomorrow. Let me know about that. IoT, let's check it out. Y'all calling out some shit. Let me check the contracts on this. Oh, call this out. What's your name? Who iPhone? That's somebody. iPhone is somebody. All right. I only heard very few mention this ticket right here. So you somebody from somewhere. This is fire. I like the month. Oh yeah, y'all. New month candle is open. It's coming. So whoever's in here, y'all know. Y'all should be charting y'all month setup, especially if you're a swinger. So that's what we're gonna be looking at too. We're gonna throw this on a month a little bit, see what these monthlies is looking like. So yeah, this is dope. I like this IoT. I like it. I like it. I like that. Alert, remind myself later. Look, yeah, I can't catch everything, right? So what you want to do is depending on your tolerance. I know people get analysis paralysis in the morning. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Yeah, I know y'all get analysis paralysis in the morning, right? You want to have your best three, your best four, however much fit, and focus on that. Don't try to catch everything. So you might see me mark off, but I'm really about to focus on about four of them in the morning. Whatever else alert later, then when the market slow down, I got time to look at it. I like this IoT. That's going on the main watch. Shout out to you, whoever you is. What about DG? Let's check DG. What the fuck? Well, I forgot they fell off a cliff, right? Then they popped it right back up. I don't know. I don't know about DG. Like it might give you two down, two up, but I don't know. You gotta watch it. Stuff ain't been filling the gap as fast as it used to. So I say this is one like you just want to probably have a little alert just in case it run up. Plus, they got the goddamn contracts. There's no open interest. Somebody was holding all of it. But yeah, I'm not sure. I don't know. Or DG, I don't know. Could do two down, two up. Just keep your eyes on it. MU was on a beam today. MU and QCOM flew. I don't see no reason to not watch them anymore. They come up on these equal highs here on a week and month. So what you want to do is look at that. Let me clear this chart so I can see what I'm talking about. Yeah, that should not even clear. All right. So we got that 312 month coming on this one, which is Fire Flame. Might have some problems at 71, 75.41. Definitely gonna have some problems at 75.41, but this is looking good. Come to this week. Yeah, I would aim for this 72.34 on MU. If we get clean price action out of tech, yeah, you want to keep your eyes on MU. I don't see why not. Again, no bias though, no bias. If we end up being bearish on tech, short tech, but as far as what I'm seeing right now, continuity to the upside, I don't see no reason to take my eyes off this. This is a good call. Go to QCOM since we're on the semiconductors. QCOM, maybe. I like MU better. Let me check AMD in the video since we here. I ain't even about to watch all these. I don't know. This might pop off tomorrow, but I don't want to chart that right now. Like, waste of time. Ooh, look at that video. Yeah, I got one. This could go either way. Depending on what the market want to do tomorrow, this could go either way. Yeah, I know how we do these on Fridays. This could go either way. Drop down to a low time frame. So this has been consolidating. Yeah, this is prime for either direction. Either direction. Put that on the radar. If you like the risk on the big boy head, put that on the radar. If it goes up, aim for all-time highs. 502, just aim for 505. If it goes down, aim for the top of this, which would be 478. But break through that, you got another leg down to look forward to. So I like that. Yeah. Sometimes you don't even need the scans. Roblox, cat, y'all talking about language, and then we got CRM. I played Roblox in a long time. Not really showing much for me. Could keep heading up though. It could go either way in my opinion. I can't tell what it's trying to do. It is trying to reverse up. So if it do give you that leg up, I'll probably just aim for, you know, with 29, 11, 30, 21. Depending on what they give, like the setup could be nice, y'all. It just depends on how they want to move the PA the next day. So just keep that in mind. So like, let me check the 4 hour. Yeah, it's sitting on this broad information, so it could give you a little leg. It's not an A plus setup in my opinion, but it could give you a little leg up. I think it's some better setups out there. And I haven't played Roblox in a minute. But keep it on your radar though. You never know. You never know. Cat. Cat is another one. Like the setup is there. I just don't know how they're gonna run a PA tomorrow. It could be a 2 up, 2 down to the downside. If YM, you want to be watching the Dow on this one, YM for cat. CIN. Yo, who's this iPhone person? This iPhone person is somebody. What up, though? All right, we check this. Yeah, this iPhone person is somebody up in there. All right, so yeah, it's another banger. Let me check the quarter. It's another banger. I'm just going for outside quarter, pretty much. 3-2 in the month, pretty much. Look at that shit. Yeah, I know what I say about this. Consolidation create opportunity. It popped all the way up. I never charted this before, so we need to zoom out. It's coming up in that territory there. Could see some more upside though. Still got room to run up. What happened with it? Like, why did this pop? I'm not hip to this stock, but I like it. I like it. There's gonna be a little noise in my background. All right. Oxy. Oxy got this red ass three. So it's like, I don't know. I did cool or you close. And natural gas. But it was strong. Cool. Let me check XOM real quick. Just to see if it's some better, like, All right, see, like XOM's a little better. So watch an Oxy, watch XOM, watch, I had COP, but I don't think it's doing shit. Still trying to take that leg up. Not bad though. So all you do look good. All you do look good. XOM run good on Fridays. Oxy run good on Fridays. I don't like that three, but that's when I don't like something like that. That's something I put it on the side list. You know what I'm saying? But you could get another leg up in Oregon. You get another. They're not my favorites right now. Oh, they had earnings. All right, cool. Pepsi double inside on the four. Oh, I forgot CRM. My fault, Ant. Hold on, y'all. Oh yeah, CRM. Yo, Bloody Mary. Keep sending this one. Oh, I hope they keep sending this one down. I ain't got no bias. I missed no bias. But the setup is there. We're gonna put an alert on this. They upgraded it and they beat earnings. Keep mind, they will try to probably manipulate it, shoot it back up. Who knows? But the setup is pointing down. I like that. They did give us a little something today. Just was on the watch list. I like the continuation downward on CRM. That's going to be on my list, especially if we are bearish. I hope tech is bearish tomorrow, low key. We're going short QQQ and everything. Right. So when you try, do I always have a so I turn my extended on in the morning, and then my people know I have it on for like 30 to an hour. And I turn it off. But when I'm charting regularly, I have it off. If I want to see what's going on in the after hours, I turn it on just to see, but I have it off. Is that a yellow? Yeah, that's the broad information. CIG. You check that out. Yeah, that's a broad information. Let me zoom out so I can see what's going on here. Yeah. What did you miss? Not much. We got Airbnb. We got. Oh, let me show you what we got real quick. It's all recorded too, but we got a few. We got a few. Let me go to real quick. Real quick. Hold on. I meant to get somebody says CIG, SIG. Be mindful. Some of them stocks don't run as good on Fridays as other. Like, I don't remember the last time I played NEE and it ran good on Fridays. So just be careful. Might have a good setup. I would like to see more people at the party on this SIG. We check next week's or monthly. Yeah, I would like to see more people at the party on these. You don't want to get stuck in the contracts. If these ones get alerted and everybody jump in, we be buying and selling to one another. We don't want that to happen. Whoever you is though, they calling out some good tickers though. Good ticker. Not the way that look. We got Roku. See, yeah, we only got to hit this game this every damn time. Roku running my low key. Like when it runs on Fridays, they pay. They pay. I can't tell what they want to do with this doji here though. They chicken two down, two up. They sitting right on last week's high. So they making a decision right now. Do they want to fail last week high or do they want to keep going? I say it's cool enough to keep on the watch list, but I just can't tell which way they want to go. Hopefully it goes in forward special upside. I would like to see that. They sitting right on last week high. So they basically retesting this chop that it's been in. So it's been rejecting 81.10 the whole entire time. So it broke out, came and retested that. So we're gonna see. Don't got a prime setup that I'm looking for, but sometimes I can tell like it might do something tomorrow if it doesn't fail. Weekly break. TGT. I thought TDT was gonna take off yesterday. I'm gonna check NED too. Yeah, it felt like they had a nice setup. See how nice setup, just like you still gotta be prepared for anything. The nice setup had a nice setup yesterday. It triggered and went right back down. If you got an earlier entry, maybe if you was watching it, you could have made some money, but regardless of that, it was whack. So now it's back into a range where I can't really tell what it's trying to do. Yeah. It's stuck in between. Yeah, it's back in there. Sorry, the background a little loud. But I just can't tell with TGP. I can't tell. Sometimes you got to put an alert. XPav, yeah, XPav ass is grass. Let me check NEE real quick. Yeah, I don't know what this is trying to do. I don't want to play NEE on Fridays. They so ass on Fridays. Them and sometimes SO, like when people at the party already for SO, it give you something, but for NEE, next I never played them on Fridays. So, like, I guess if they fail 66.67, they make that leg down, but I don't know. I don't know what they're trying to do. Neo, maybe not at. So we're gonna check the China cards right now. So we're gonna check XPav, which I've been watching XPav all week and they ain't do shit. They did something today though. I ain't gonna lie. 3-1-2 bets and downside. I don't know. They probably gonna just make another low down. About right. There's no set, so you might have to just watch how they open up in the morning. Oh, wait, you got 2 hours. So a 2-1, the one actual signal. So you got 2-1-2. Just watch out for $17.49. After that, it could keep dropping. I hope they keep dropping. They've been tried. And they got bad earnings too. Same with Neo. Neo been wacky tacky. I was trying to short Neo all this week, like Monday, Tuesday. They did not come down. Yeah, I would like to see Neo drop too. Neo could drop. I don't like the setup, but I can tell it could drop 3-2 to the. I don't like it though. They've been real tacky. I don't know what's been going on with these China flies. Be careful. But Neo could drop. Neo runs good on Fridays. Swung puts on Pfizer. Yeah, Pfizer been another trash one that never went up. When you took entry, James bleeding. Right on there. They just hit a little choke. They fell out. They got another leg down. So you should see a little bit. You should see some bread on that. Your contracts be funny sometimes. But yeah, you should see some bread on that. Let's check Palantir. Good shit. Get you on that swing. Palantir. They was on a run, then he just got dropped off. And I don't know. It's back in that range. I don't know what they trying to do. Yeah, he done sold it off. Put it back in that nasty ass. Back with this candle over there. I don't know what they trying to do. I don't know if they're gonna give it another leg down or they're gonna chop it up. I can't tell with this one. Any more tick? Oh, yeah, I just can't tell what they trying to do with the Palantir. Any more tickers? Before so I'm just gonna hit the scans real quick. I feel like I got pretty a good batch of stocks. I'm just gonna hit the scans, show the people what it look like. I got you, bro. I'm at the scans real quick. The 3-2s done got nine, so I'm gonna go to the inside day. Let me see what got an inside day for us. Well, let me check the double inside day. I like double inside days. Then we already got Airbnb. That's crazy. It's not even showing Airbnb. Airbnb is the double inside day. That's weird. We're gonna go to three inside. Can't do three inside. Nothing we want. Two inside. Just to see if we ain't missed nothing out there. With the two up inside, don't have nothing. So we got Nvidia already. Either way, we seen CVX. No, we seen Oxy. Did we see CVX? What was that Oxy? Oh, this look fire. I'm gonna check Google right after this. Did I see X in the day? Yo, I'm tired about X. I took my eyes off them. Knowing they was gonna pop. This look great. If all remember I said all you look kind of good, right? If all you takes off, look at y'all see this consolidation and y'all in the Discord, y'all know about the point of control. Let me just check the higher time frames real quick. Always gotta check the higher time frame. So shit, we red month, failed the month. Go to the week real quick. So we right next to breaking this 2 down to a week. It's either gonna keep consolidating or it's gonna pop. But it's gonna pop real soon. You have any videos on POC? My man Michael Jordan had a video on it. I'm gonna have to make a video. I think he got rid of that video, but I'm gonna make a quick vid just to give it like quick what it like what it stand for. Basically, the red bar is where the most shares was accumulated, brought and sold at. And like typically when you see price accumulated on this red bar, you get explosive move on either direction. And then you see these other like gray long, we call those shells. In between that, we call liquidity pools. So price tends to like run through those liquidity pools. Yeah, the whole thing to break down. I'm gonna break that down one day. But yeah, I like the CVX. It got a 2-1. It might not do shit. It might not do shit. But I do know about the POC and I love consolidation setups. I'm putting my alert on this one. Might not do shit, but I'm just in case. Just in case. This thing been winding up crazy. Crazy. It's been winding up crazy. But y'all see this? Like how it just been like stuck. So it can very much well been like these candlesticks, how it's been in this range. And always pay attention to the body of the candlesticks too. Like so it just been in it just never been able to get out of 160, 159, 160. It's been bouncing, bouncing, bouncing. But let's see if we get this pop. At least take it back up here. That's all we would need. Back to 163, that's a 3 hour move on a 0 day. That's over like 500, 600%. I already know. And if y'all want to look at the contracts, right? Contracts is valid. 15 cent, good delta data ratio. So no bias. Even if this go down, I might not touch it. I like this for the upside. Let's check out Google real quick. Google. See, Google did do this and then pop it right back up. But I ain't got no bias. What you looking for? You looking for that 2 up, 2 down? On Google. Google give us the okie doke. That's the thing. So this is what I would say about Google, right? That is a nice setup to the eye, but be careful. To the eye, that is a nice downside setup. If tech not bearish tomorrow, this will not work out. Tech needs to be bearish tomorrow for this to work out. So cool setup to the eye. Just be mindful of that. Be mindful of that. That do look sexy, right? Come right down there. So just keep an alert on that. If tech is bearish, I'm gonna give y'all a gem. When y'all playing these plays, I need to be watching futures. I need to be knowing what the Nasdaq is doing, what the Dow is doing, and what the S&P 500 is doing. For instance, if I'm in the play and I got calls to the upside, let's say I'm in Roku or something, right? And I see Nasdaq got a 30 shooter ready to turn over. And then I see the Dow ready to turn over. And then I see SPY ready to turn over. What you think about that happen to that Roku? Might turn over, right? And let's say you're going to have this too. It might not turn over. And when the rest of the market is red and say your play is green, I mean it has strong relative strength. So remember that. So you always want to know the relative strength of your play based on what the other macros are doing, what the other stocks in the market are doing. Because 9 times out of 10, if you are in calls and everything is going down, your play might come down a little bit. You might get jump, and especially if you're on a 0 day, it might wick and come down on you. Now, if you play strong and keep buying it and buying it, buying it, that gives you confidence. So you just gotta know how you gotta look out for that. So back to this, if this comes down, if you get the two up, two down on a daily, and tech and everything, like tech gotta be bloody, then it's going. Look, he said Zoom did that today. Market was ticking and maintained. That mean there was some strong buying. And when you see that, that indicates, all right, I'm in a good ass play. That's how I feel when I'm in that. Like, oh, this ain't coming down. The market is turning over. That's how I know it's about to be a runner for the day, right? Y'all seen what Zoom did. And whenever Zoom either came back down, what it did, y'all. And when y'all do see that, let me drop a gem. When y'all do see that, and because it will pull back, but not much. It's gonna give you those increments where it's gonna give you a chance to get in. Look at these 30s on Zoom. Sometime all you gotta do is execute. 2-1. This would have been crazy. You ain't even had needed this move. This would have been crazy. And it actually went all the way up to 220, 72.55. So yeah, see, so just look out for that. Just look out for that. Just wanted to, get you out of that real quick. Let's go back to the scans. Bang, 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 bang. I don't really like none of this stuff. Y'all seen communications, AT&T, Verizon, and all that? They trying to buy those back up. Let me try and buy those back up. I don't really like playing them on Friday. You can hold on, but anytime I play them, it's weird as shit. All right, let's keep it moving real quick. I got a lot of time left on the whole job too long. I think we got a good batch. If I see like some other stuff, let me just get to the 4 hour real quick. If I see some other stuff, I'm gonna still. We already did video. We already did CVS. I'm just gonna look at Microsoft real quick just for the shits and giggles. Look how y'all see how it's rapid on this point of control. That's called consolidation. And what we know about consolidation, it has to pick a direction sooner or later. And it creates opportunity. Yep. So this damn near like a double inside there. Yeah. I don't know what it's trying to do though. It's gonna pick a direction, but it's not a good setup. Not a good setup to work with. Netflix is also chopping like shit. Well, it was the last time I seen it. I actually like Netflix. Might not do nothing, but I like it. I'm gonna put an alert just in case. That's how I found Zoom this morning. Sometimes I put an alert just in case, and I had told the team like I'm not in it, but Zoom popping off. I didn't expect it to go all day, but so I just yeah. If y'all know how I be like, hey, I be having alerts on stuff that I know that look good, but I'm not too sure. So just in case this pop, we know about it. We can do something about that. Not gonna be on the main list though. So you seen Oxy, JD can go to hell. I don't really play General Motors on Friday. Dash, DoorDash. I don't really play that on Fridays, but I don't want to put too much on our radar. DoorDash actually look cool. It's a matter if it's going to run. That's a night, dude. That was a nice week. That was picture perfect. That was picture perfect. Two down, two up, right to the target. That was nice. Dash been running it up. Did they use some more people at the party? But damn. Yeah, I think we're coming to an end. Let me just. If I see something, I'm gonna go back and look just a little bit more. If I see something, I'll let everybody know. But, so we got them two earning plays. Avgo and Dell. I'm very much interested in Dell. Dell printed last time. I think we shorted. I forgot what we did last earnings. We did something to it. Yeah, everything else looking doo-doo. I like that IoT. Walmart might continue tomorrow. MU might continue tomorrow. So that's the ones we was looking at, Sassy. MU, uh, Walmart. I know Costco ran, right? I know Costco was a Friday favorite. Costco gotta go into this just because it's. I gotta. Yeah, for either direction, I gotta. Just in case. Just in case. A lot of the these retail, companies, Yeah, we looked at Low, Carvana, cool. Crowd went absolutely bananas. Oh, crowd could give y'all one more day. Crowd could give one more day to the upside. I mean, right for the high. I like crowd. Crowd gonna be on a solid though. I like crowd. Yeah, I think we got enough. We got enough. Probably gonna forget about half of these by tomorrow anyway. But can't catch them all neither. Don't try to. If you happen to miss your setup trade price in time, my members know what that means. Yeah, there's too many that look good. Amazon was looking pretty decent. Amazon, I forgot I seen this before we got on. I haven't played Amazon in a long time, but Amazon got a nice 4-1 setup. Just hit a little significant area though, but it could give another leg up if we bullish tomorrow. Amazon look good. I think we done here though. When is that Apple event? The new iPhone. Oh, INTC. You see this area INTC just hit? Just look to the left. 35.55. They got to power through that. That's a tough level for them. See, I already got these levels already. They got a nice, beautiful monthly setup though. Say, get ready for these monthly. Damn, I ain't got no clear. Get ready for these monthly setups. Let's check it out. So, yeah, really not good. Yeah, it just hit these highs here, so it might play around. It might not. I don't know. The setup is there though. It look good. The setup is there. I ain't got no bias. You gotta check out for that iPhone. We might run up on Apple that day. IWM. Let me clear all this shit so we can look at it. Like I know what my chart mean, but somebody might be like, "What the hell is that?" I don't need to clear it. So nowadays, I don't need nothing on chart 3D. I hope we bearish tomorrow because shit drop when we bearish. I have no bias. I don't care where we are. So I really chart IWM in the morning. I really do the night before. I don't even chart them honestly. I just come in, see what the pre looking like, and make my decisions from there. I don't really chart these guys. The levels y'all see is like me and my old targets or main places where I might reverse. That's it. So let's see. See, they already back up right here. Let's see how they open in the morning. They gonna have some real, really see where they trying to go. And if you look, like I said, just look to the left. Goddamn. If you look, we just hit. We got these sell-off areas. So that's without the broad information drawn. So I already know what type of time it is. Right. So just off that information, just be aware of what you're approaching, what's going on. Shit, we got that 2 up, 2 down day, right? All right, so if it open up and they gap up in the morning and then it start looking shaky, you already know it's set up for the downside. So as far as what I'm feeling right now. But that's it for me. We're gonna see what they, QQQ, IWM, and XPX giving up. I heard about that too. I drew my own. I drew my own. I haven't drawn one in a long time. I'm drawing right now. I haven't drawn one in a long time. I'll draw them the lazy way. It don't make no sense to draw the bottom one because ain't shit going down there no time soon. But yeah, like so that's it for me. If y'all ain't got no more questions, then I'm gonna let y'all head out. I'm gonna upload this, send it to the Discord and the Telegram for review, and we'll be at it tomorrow. I'm gonna drop the link in the Telegram too, so look out for that. All right, y'all. Peace out. Y'all enjoy the rest of y'all evening. What is going on?
All right, Drew.